Yes, this is Pizzazz. He was quite spectacular when he was born. Such a blessing, everything I had prayed for. In fact, many years ago, I had named my farm Decadent Colored Sport Horses, and it actually came to fruition. Pizzazz grew up to be a gorgeous, handsome young stallion. There he is again as a baby. And he changed colors a lot. He went from the black leopard to lighter colored, and then he went dark again, and he's ever changing. And it's fun to watch him. Hope you can follow along and see the story of Pizzazz.